I am Nikita Upadhyay, Assistant Professor of Index Institute of Pharmacy. Today we are discuss suspension. Definition. Suspension may be defined as preparation containing finely divided drug particles distributed somewhat uniformly throughout a vehicle in which the drug inhibits a minimum degree of solubility or suspensions are the biphasic liquid dosage form of medicaments in which the finely divided solid particles, the range of solid particles in suspension from 0.5 to 5.0 micron. Suspension are used in orally, parenterally and also externally. They are chemically stable than solution. According to the particle size of the dispersed phase, suspensions are divided into coarse suspension, which is a dispersion of particles with the mean diameter greater than 1 μm. Colloidal suspension, which is a dispersion of particles with a mean diameter less than 1 μm. Reasons for suspensions. If patients have a difficulty of swallowing solid dosage forms or need for oral liquid dosage forms. Faster rate of dissolutions and oral absorption than solid dosage forms, yet slower than solutions. Drugs that have very slow solubility are useful formulated or suspensions. Drugs that have an unpleasant taste in their soluble form, e.g., chloramphenicol soluble versus chloramphenicol palmitate insoluble. Properties of good suspension. Suspension should settle slowly and should be readily dispersed upon shaking of the container. The suspension is pourable. Particles in suspension are small and relatively uniformly in size, so that the product is free from a gritty texture. Classification based on general class. Oral suspension is the paracetamol suspension. External applied suspension is the calamine lotion. Parenteral suspension example insulin zinc suspension. Based on proportional of solid particles. Dilute suspension 2 to 10% solids. Example cortisone acetate, prednisolone acetate. Concentrated suspension 50% W solid. Example zinc oxide suspension. Based on electrokinetic nature of solids particle. Flocculate suspension, deflocculate suspension. Based on size of particle, coarse suspension. Suspensions having particle size of greater than about 1 micron in diameter are called as coarse suspension. Colloidal suspension. Suspension having particle sizes of suspended solid less than about 1 micron in size are called as colloidal suspension. Flocculated system. In flocculated system, the individual particles are contact with each other to form loose aggregate and create network-like structure. Rate of sedimentation is high. Sediment is loosely packed. When shaking, it can be dispersed easily and reform the original suspension. Flocculated suspension not be elegant because they are difficult to remove from bottles or vials, and on transferring from the bottles the floccules remain sticking to the side of the bottle. Deflocculated or non-flocculated system. In deflocculated system, the individual particles are exist are separated entities. Rate of sedimentation is low. Sediment is tightly packed. When shaking, it cannot be dispersed easily and form the cake. Deflocculated suspensions be elegant. They have pleasing appearance because the substance remains suspended for sufficient long time. Difference between flocculate and deflocculated suspension. Flocculated particles forms loose aggregates and forms a network-like structure. Non-flocculated particles exist as separated entities. Flocculates rate of sedimentation is high. Non-flocculates rate of sedimentation is low. Flocculated sediment is rapidly formed. Non-flocculate sediment is very closely packed. Sediment is slowly formed. Sediment is loosely packed and doesn't form a hard cake. Sediment is very closely packed and a hard cake is formed. Sediment is easy to redisperse. Non-flocculate sediment is difficult to redisperse. Flocculate suspension is not pleasing in appearance. Non-flocculate suspension is pleasing in appearance. Flocculated, the floccules stick to the sides of the bottle. Non-flocculated, they don't stick to the sides of the bottle. Deflocculated caking in suspension. It is defined as the formation of a non-redispersible sediments with a suspension system. Causes crystal bridging and closed aggregate in formulation. In crystal bridging, particle surface crystal growth occurs on two or more particles simultaneously in the state formation. Cause of cake formation. Small changes in temperature that occurs during self-storage lead to unexpectedly rapid caking via crystal bridging. A sedimented, highly coagulated suspension tends to form large coagules as the surface films present on coagulated particles cause the filmed particles to cling to each other. Theory of sedimentation. Sedimentation means settling of particles or floccules occurs under gravitational force in liquid gaseous form. Stokes equation. B acid is equal to D2 PsPqC upon 1 dN0 is equal to 2 R square PsPqC 9N square. D is equal to diameter of particles, R is equal to radius of particles. We said sedimentation velocity in centimeter second. P is density of dispersed phase. P or density of dispersed media. G acceleration due to gravity. N or viscosity of dispersed media is in poise. Limitation of Stokes equations. Stokes equations applies only to spherical particles in a very dilute suspension 0.5 to 2 gram per 100 ml. Particles which freely settled without collisions. Particles with no chemical or chemical attraction. Brownian moments. Brownian moments of particles prevent sedimentation by keeping the dispersed material in random motion. Browning moment depends on the density of dispersed phase and the density and viscosity of the dispersed media. Browning moment can be observed if particle size is about 2 to 5 μm when the density of particles and viscosity of medium are favorable. Brownian moment. Electrokinetic properties. Zeta potential. The zeta potential defined as the difference between the surface of the tightly bounded layer shear plane and the electroneutral region of the solution. As the potential drops off rapidly at first, followed more gradual decrease as the distance from the surface increase. This is because the counter ion close to the surface acts as a screen that reduces the electrostatic attraction between the charged surface and those counter ions further always away from the surface. Zeta potential has practical application in stability of systems containing dispersed particles, since the potential rather than the nearest potential governs the degree of repulsion between the adjacent similarly charged dispersed particles. If the zeta potential is reduced below a certain value, the attractive forces exceed the repulsive forces and the particles come together. Zeta potential MV stability behavior of colloidal from 0 to plus minus 5, rapid coagulation or flocculation from plus minus 10 to plus minus 30, incipient stability from plus minus 13 to plus minus 40, moderate stability from plus minus 40 to plus minus 60, good stability, more than plus minus 61, excellent stability. Structure of vehicles. Structure vehicles are also called as thickening agent or suspending agent. They increase the viscosity of the continuous phase so that the particle remains suspended from a sufficient long time. These structured vehicles entrap the particles and reduces the sedimentation of particles. Although these structured vehicles reduce the sedimentation of particles, cassia, tragacanth and sodium alginate not very commonly used. The semi-synthetic structure vehicles are widely used, e.g. methyl cellulose, MSC, hydroxypropyl methyl cellulose, etc. Clays such as hydrate, aluminum silicate or magnesium silicate also used as thickening agent. Wetting agent. Wetting agent or substance which reduce the interfacial tension between the solid particles and liquid phase. It is absorbed at the solid liquid interface in such way that the affinity of the particles for the surrounding medium is increased and interparticular forces are decreased. The particles, even high density, float on the surface of the liquid until the layer of air is displaced completely. The use of wetting agent allows removing this air from the surface and to easy penetration of the vehicles into the porous example, alcohol in tragacanth, mucilage, glycerin or glycol in sodium alginate, etc. Excessive amount wetting agent lead to foaming or undesirable taste or odor to suspension. Flocculating agent, surfactant. Flocculating agent or surfactant are reduces the interfacial tension. They act like surfactant with negative charge, are absorbed on the particles, minimize flocculation in the presence of positive ions because of natural repulsion of like charge. Example of negative charge surfactant: sodium lauryl sulfate, sodium dialkyl sulfosinate, etc. Non-ionic surfactants also have negative charge surfactant in solution. Twins carboxylases are frequently used. Dispersion agent. Some particles have not sufficient surface energy so that particles come together and forms large particles. To overcome the difficulty, the substance may be introduced in the suspension and those called dispersion agent. These substances increase the zeta potential and do not allow the particles to form together to form large particles. They also act as stabilizer in suspension. Example: glycerol monostearate, polyethylene glycerol, sorbitol, etc.